the Battery Magazine, and today we are here at IESW event at Atlanta stall. Today we have with us Ms. Shriya Srivastav from Atlanta, and welcome dear, welcome to the interview. So please tell us about Atlanta and which products and solutions you are bringing to IESW this year.
So, Shweta, firstly, I would like to tell you about Atlanta Systems. We are an IoT and telematics company, and since 1994, so that is almost 31 to 32 years, we are working in this industry. And we have been working with battery manufacturers, with EV vehicles, two-wheelers, bus, trucks, commercial vehicles. And our manufacturing plant is in Parwanu, Himachal, and while its corporate office is in Connaught Place, Delhi. We are working pan-India, as well as we are providing devices to some international clients as well. Today at IESW, we are showcasing some of our IoT and data logger devices. That includes the devices that will capture all the battery data. So what it does is, with the BESS and ESS and at the battery, we capture all the data related to battery, for example, CAN data of SOC, SOH, everything that the client wants. And since we are OEM, it is easier for us to customize the devices according to their requirements.
Okay, so you customize also to the battery.
Yeah, since we are OEMs and we have our in-house R&D, it becomes easier for us to customize those devices. And we also have our own IoT platform, so we can white label that according to the customers. So which is very good for the client, since they are usually require the white labeled platforms.
Okay. Would you like to shed some light on few of your products, like how your products help your customers?
So with our devices, the customers can analyze their battery health. They can predictively analyze, predictively maintain the battery health. They get the health alerts, they get the temperature alerts. They even, as you can see over here, we have theft and fault telemetry. So if vehicle is being is it being stolen, we can remotely immobilize that vehicle. And we also keep the driver maintenance, driver behavior analytics. So we have ADAS camera that is right there. It is a driver and road assistance camera, so it will capture all the driver behavior as well as the roadside of the behaviors also.
Tell us about Atlanta's USP. First of all, the theft thing is very impressive.
Yes.
And please tell us about the USP.
Sure. So, like I said, Atlanta is an OEM. That becomes easier for us to manufacture these devices according to the requirements of the clients, right? Which is rarely possible over here in India, because most of the IoTs comes from China and all. So, and we do not want to rely on the China. We want it to be completely made in India. So we try to do that. Apart from that, we have support team which is 24/7 available for you, and we also have a really good teamwork and clients in over here. So yeah.
Okay, so my next question will be based on that. So India is moving ahead with local manufacturing.
Right.
So how do Atlanta contributing in that?
So we definitely support that we should be manufacturing everything in India, because we also want to push the Indian's economy. So to do that, we are trying, since I told you we have a manufacturing plant in Parwanu, Himachal, we are trying to do it completely made in India product. We have more than, I think, 300 employees, and and everything we try to do it in-house.
Okay,
Yeah.
impressive. Again, so what innovations we can expect from Atlanta in the coming future?
So, as you must have seen, there was a recent case on the news with the bad PMS application, where the vehicles were getting immobilized, e-rickshaw was getting immobilized, right? We are also trying to come up with the authenticated immobilization. We're trying to solve real world problems rather than focusing on the commercials and all. So, yeah.
So any message for our readers?
Yeah. So if you are looking at this video and you have any solutions that you require for the BMS side, for the energy storage, battery storage, or anything, we can definitely collaborate, and you can work with Atlanta Systems. Yeah.
Nice. Thank you
Yeah,
for the
thank you so
insights,
much.
Riya, and we wish you all the very best.
Thank
for the
you so
event.
much. Thank you.